Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and you are in for a treat today. It is another steamed cake from Indonesia. It is another Indonesian recipe. I know I've been sharing a lot of Indonesian recipe, but soon my mother-in-law will be here from Hungary. She'll be sharing, or maybe I'll be sharing, Hungarian recipe again. Anyways, for today's recipe, it is from Indonesia. It is a steamed sponge cake that we call Bolu Kukus. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. Right now I'm preheating the steamer, and we're gonna cream these 2 whole eggs, 1 heaping teaspoon of cake emulsifier. I'm using Ovalett, as well 1 cup of sugar. We're gonna cream this for about 7 minutes until completely combined. For the dry ingredients, this is 1 3/4 cup of strong baker's flour, and for the liquid, it is warmed milk in the microwave. This is about 250 milliliter, 8 ounce. My camera doesn't want to. There you go. That didn't want to focus. So this is about 7 minutes. It's gonna be pale and nice before we add in our dry ingredients and wet ingredient. Dry ingredient and wet ingredient, alternating one after another. But first, we're gonna continue creaming this until pale, and again maximum of 7 minutes. Once it's nice and thickened, we're gonna add in our dry ingredient and followed with our wet ingredient. Again, I warmed the milk, so to make it lukewarm, I used microwave. Now we're gonna add in our dry ingredient again, and then our milk again, or wet ingredient, and then lastly our dry ingredient again. Mix it until completely combined, and then we're gonna divide into 2 bowls, 2 batter. So I added 1 teaspoon of Pandan to one, and 1 teaspoon of Mocha paste to the other. And you just want to mix it either with spatula or your electric mixer. It's up to you. Until completely combined. Now just fill up alternatingly. You can make marble or alternating or half and half, it's up to you. Now we're gonna steam this for 15 minutes on preheated steamer, and don't forget to cover the top with a clean towel so that water don't drip onto your cakes. 10 minutes. Oh, look at that. They are pretty. Blooming flowers. Take out and continue steaming for the rest.